I'm making this video so that you can see how you can record at home. This all happens within Go React, which is the same program that we've been using in class. So what you want to do is log into MyHack using your username and your password. And then you would go to the course, you would be in the course home. From the course home, you want to go to the Go React module. Now you can get to that through the navigation bar. You can go content and then content. You can also click the content browser. Also, depending on how you have this set up, if you have this open, you can even get to actually every module right here from your home screen also. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the content browser button because that's what I've been telling you to do all semester. You would then look for the module that says Resource Go React Speech Recordings. And there we go. You will see that the first, what I call a submodule, is right here, right underneath the information about Go React. Some things I would say, you want to make sure your Adobe and your Java are up to date. If it's not, Go React's going to signal. Also, do not use Internet Explorer as your browser. This is going to work best if you use Chrome, which is what I use in the classroom, or Firefox. You'll notice in the speech assignments, there's the informative speech, which we're almost done with. And then here's the assignment for the persuasive speech. You will also see that there are some test assignments in here. So if you decide that you do want to explore recording, what I'm going to require you to do is a test first. So I'm going to go ahead and click this test speech 2. And that's going to get us into Go React. From here, this is kind of the home page of the assignment, and you would want to click Add Video. Now, a reminder, you do need to have a visual aid for this speech, and in Go React, you can upload your visual aid right into the speech, right into the video, but you do need to convert anything to a PDF. It will only accept a PDF file. So you can easily convert a PowerPoint to a PDF. Even if you're working in Google Slides, you can save that, download that as a PDF. Now, of course, you do need to have Adobe updated on your computer in order to be able to do that. So you're going to want to give this a title. And because you've already clicked into an assignment, you should be associated as a presenter. I'm actually in my student account, so this is exactly how you should be seeing it. And then from this page here is where you would add your PDF slides. So I'm going to click that, and then we would choose a PDF file to your standard upload button. And wherever you have that saved at, that's where you want to go and get. So let's just choose something that's a PDF and then click Start and it will upload. Okay. And then we're going to hit the record button. Now you're not going to automatically start recording now, so don't worry. So two things you need to do here. Here it's just telling you, and I'll show you that you can adjust the size of this. So it's telling you that you can use the arrows to advance your slides while you're recording, and they're going to take care of everything else. Your slides will then, when you click the arrow, will advance. Just like in the classroom, you can click the arrow. So one, you want to say, okay, I understand, I got it, that's how it works. So click that. And then the next thing you want to do is, you notice I'm adjusting the size of this. If you just hover in here and you get that to change, and just click on that, you can adjust the size. Notice here it says click to allow camera and microphone access. We need to allow Go React to have access to the camera and microphone on your device. So you'll click that and then this will come up. If you're not sure what's being used, you can click here's for the webcam, here's for the microphone. And then we just want to hit allow. Gosh, now it's going to crazy for me. Okay, so if you've checked that, and if you go to hit close and it's not doing it for you, if you just click right there, you get back to this screen here. You want to click this small little allow button, and you'll notice there it probably seems really loud, and I'm going to get feedback. I'm going to turn that down completely, and we'll see if we can get this to work right. And then hit close. Okay, so now you see me there. I can certainly adjust this if I want to make myself smaller while I'm recording so that I can see my PowerPoint a little bit better. That's perfectly fine, because when I play this back as a viewer, I can also make those same adjustments. And so we've got our slide there. A nice feature, it does show you the slide that's next. Having said that, it's very, very small, and I can't read anything that's there. You also want to make sure that at this point, once that camera's engaged, you need to have two live human people who are maybe just even, that's fine, they're sitting in the room, whatever. So you would want to have them go to the camera here and say, hi, I'm Mom, or hi, I'm, friend John, or whatever the case might be. You're also going to want to hold up your delivery outline, whatever you're using, whether it's note cards, just so that I know that you're not sitting here with, and trust me, I teach virtually. I can tell when you're reading, even if it's a video, that you're not just reading from your preparation outline. So you'll want to hold that up so that I can see that. And then when you're all ready to go, you're going to click begin. And that's going to run. You're going to give your speech. You're going to go through all the parts. You're coming to the end. When you're all done, you're going to hit end. Okay. Now, depending on the browser you're using, right now I am actually in Firefox. If you're in Chrome, you may get a button that says post. If you get any indication that says post, absolutely click that post button. Right now I'm in Firefox, so that does not usually come up that way, and I can generally just hit exit. Although before I do that, let me just resume this recording and show you how you can advance the slides. So, all right, so now we'll pretend that I'm continuing to talk, and there we go. We go to the next slide. You notice over here, it's actually time stamping then when those slides are advanced. So you're going to absolutely, just like if you were in class, you want to make sure that you practiced doing this with your slides, and you are perfectly, you can use Go React if you want to do some practices with that. You can just do it by having your PowerPoint up whenever you are, kind of in front of the computer to maybe make it seem a little bit less weird that you're talking to your webcam. And, you can advance to your slides and you see how it time stamps. Okay, so let me click end. If you get any message that says post, be sure you post that. In Firefox, I do not usually get that message, and I can just click exit. And you'll see right here in the assignment is your video, and you'll be able to go in and watch that. So again, you're going to go into My Hack, you're going to go into the course, go into the content browser, go and find the Go React assignment, go to the persuasive speech assignment. You can upload your PDF file of whatever visual aid you're using. Be sure that you, once you get the camera and everything to work, that you show me who your audience is, and also hold up your delivery note cards or outline, whatever it is you're using. You're going to go ahead and record that whole speech. And when you're all done, you end the recording, and if it asks you to post, make sure you always say yes, and you can exit out, and boom, there you go. One thing that I will say, I'm always surprised when I teach virtually, when I have students in a speech that's supposed to be 7 to 9 minutes long, and they have a 4-minute speech, that's what they put it in, and they never go and fix that. So I will tell you that you're right. If you choose to record, the option exists that you can just delete this out and try over again. That's absolutely an option for you. And I'm not going to know, and I'm not going to tell you you should or shouldn't do it. So that's out there. But, so again, this is why I expect that you're meeting all the requirements of the speech if you are choosing to do a recording at home because of our time limitations. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this now. And what I'm going to do, if you think you want to do this, I really do want you to do a test recording just so that you can see how it works, because you want to troubleshoot any problems before the assignment is actually due.